Let's cook some lamb. Lamb. I-pan-seared muna natin siya bago natin ilagay dito sa ating crock pot. Yan. Pinagyan ko siya ng grated ginger para paalis ng dangro. Pero mayat ko kayo. Now, lagay natin ang ating shallots at saka garlic. Ayan natin. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng Cajun spice. Kunti lang, kasi ayaw ng bata yung maanghang. So ayan, we will transfer this one here. So now I put right there. Now I have here tomato sauce and just pour it right there. Okay, now I put the mixed vegetables, peas and carrots. Can I have here the leftover chickpeas from the hummus that I made the other day? I'm gonna use it. Put some in there.
Mommy, what's next? Okay, you said I? Okay.
J.
I's next.
Oh, okay. Okay. So ayan na, ang ating crock pot, naka-ready na siya. Iluluto natin for long hours. That's our lamb stew.